Question number 1. What is the name of the air of metal strips used in battery cell? Option A cathode, option B electrolyte, option C electrodes, option D carbon rod. উত্তর হবে option C electrodes. Question number 2. Which electrolyte is used in lead acid battery? Option A zinc chloride, option B sulfuric acid, option C alkaline solution, option D potassium hydroxide solution. উত্তর হবে option B sulfuric acid. Question number 3. How batteries are classified? Option A dry cells and alkaline cells, option B bottom cells and lithium cells, option C primary cells and secondary cells, option D cylindrical cells and rectangular cells. উত্তর হবে option C primary cells and secondary cell. Question number 4. What is the rated output voltage of a silver oxide cell? Option A 1.0 volt DC, option B 1.5 volt DC, option C 2.5 volt DC, option D 4.0 volt DC. উত্তর হবে এই option B 15 volt DC. Question number 5. Which battery is used of cellular phones? Option A nickel ion, option B lithium ion, option C zinc chloride, option D sodium sulfur. উত্তর হবে option B lithium ion. Question number 6. Which material is used for negative terminal of alkaline manganese dioxide batteries? Option A zinc, option B lithium, option C cadmium, option D nickel hydroxide. উত্তর হবে option A zinc. Question number 7. What is the size of a silver oxide cell? Option A D size, option B double A size, option C triple A size, option D button size. উত্তর হবে option D button size. Question number 8. What is the rated voltage of a single cell in lead acid battery? Option A 1.5 volt, option B 2.0 volt, option C 2.2 volt, option D 12 volt. উত্তর হবে option C 2.2 volt. Question number 9. What is the range of current rating of lead acid batteries used in automobiles? Option A 5 to 10 ampere, option B 10 to 25 ampere, option C 2.5 to 4.5 ampere, option D 100 to 400 ampere. উত্তর হবে option D 100 to 400 ampere. Question number 10. What is the color of positive electrode in fully charged lead acid battery? Option A red color, option B grey color, option C reddish brown, option D spongy grey color. উত্তর হবে option C reddish brown. Question number 11. What is the specific gravity of concentrated sulfuric acid? Option A 1.175, option B 1.245, option C 1.835, option D 1.945. উত্তর হবে option C 1.835. Question number 12. Which energy is converted by the battery to produce electricity? Option A electrical energy into light energy, option B chemical energy into electrical energy, option C mechanical energy into electrical energy, option D electrical energy into mechanical energy. উত্তর হবে option B chemical energy into electrical energy. Question number 13. What is the total voltage of 6 1.5 volt cells connected in series? Option A 3 volt DC, option B 6 volt DC, option C 9 volt DC, option D 12 volt DC. উত্তর হবে option C 9 volt DC. Question number 14. Which electrolyte is used in maintenance-free lead acid batteries? Option A gold electrolyte, option B sodium electrolyte, option C ceramic electrolyte, option D potassium electrolyte. উত্তর হবে option A gold electrolyte. Question number 15. What is the effect on a secondary cell supplying current to the load? Option A leaking, Option B charging, Option C unloading, Option D discharging. উত্তর হবে Option D discharging. Question number 16. What is the percentage of sulfuric acid in electrolyte used for lead acid batteries? Option A 12%, Option B 25%, Option C 27%, Option D 40%. উত্তর হবে Option C 27%. Question number 17. What is the name of the process to maintain the recommended level of electrolyte in lead acid batteries? A recharging, Option B topping up, Option C charging the cell, Option D cycling of the cell. উত্তর হবে Option B topping up. Question number 10. What is the electrolyte level maintained above the top of the plates in lead acid battery cell? Option A 2 mm থেকে 4 mm, Option B 5 mm থেকে 8 mm, Option C 10 mm থেকে 15 mm, Option D 16 mm থেকে 25 mm. উত্তর হবে Option C 10 mm to 15 mm. Question number 19. What is the lowest voltage level of discharging the lead acid battery? Option A 1.2 volt, Option B 1.5 volt, Option C 1.7 volt, Option D 1.85 volt. হবে Option C 1.7 volt. Question number 20. Which is the additional percentage of power delivered by the lithium ion compared to an IMH battery? Option A 15%, Option B 25%, Option C 40%, Option D 60%. উত্তর হবে Option C 40%. Question number 21. Which battery is made from non-toxic materials? Option A lithium ion, Option B lithium polymer, Option C nickel cadmium, Option D nickel metal hydride. উত্তর হবে Option D nickel metal hydride. Question number 22. Which rechargeable cell is designed with conductive polymer? Option A plastic cell, Option B lead acid cell, Option C nickel metal hydride cell, Option D GALD electrolyte lead acid cell. উত্তর হবে Option A plastic cell. Question number 23. Which method is adapted to charge a car battery with voltage rating of 2.3 volt per cell? Option A float charging method, Option B trickle charging method, Option C constant current charging method, Option D constant voltage charging method. উত্তর হবে Option D constant voltage charging method. Question number 24. What is the use of battery analyzers with rapid test program? Option A test the battery life, Option B test the load current delivered, Option C test the charging current of battery, Option D indicate the health condition of battery. উত্তর হবে Option D indicate the health condition of battery. Question number 25. Which device is used to test the fully charged condition of a lead acid battery cell? Option A multimeter, Option B hydrometer, Option C DC voltmeter, Option D high rate discharge tester. উত্তর হবে Option D high rate discharge tester. Question number 26. Why the load testing is done on the lead acid battery? Option A test the dimensional accuracy, Option B verify the rated power delivery, Option C measure the rated output voltage, Option D test I square R power loss in the battery cell. উত্তর হবে Option C measure the rated output voltage.